guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is chapter 35. Messy. O diba? Kinuha niya agad yung buong bed. So saan matutulog si Liu Liang yan? Have some sleeping manners. Di ba? Pinagalitan. Siguro kung anak ka talaga niya, hindi kanya papagalitan. If you're like this again, then I will throw you out and lock the door so you can't sleep. You better behave yourself. Kung nga naman, first day mo pa lang, ang dami mo ng mga foul ha. And maybe I'll consider allowing you to stay here. That's my line. Uy, bakit line? Siya yung asawa, ikaw, ano ka lang dyan ha? Zhao already said that I'm also part of this family. So it should be me who allow you to squeeze in with me. Batang to. What do you mean by allowing me to squeeze in with you? As a member of this family, I have the right to share half the rooms in the house. Member of the family. You and Zhao are married, so you two should sleep in the same room. That room is yours. Ah. This one is mine. Nang-aagaw ka na ng kwarto ha. Zhao doesn't want to sleep with you. So it's me who is talking you in now. Taking you in now? I'm speechless. Ikaw patuloy ngayon na wala ng kwarto. Tignan natin yung mangyayari. Are you sleeping? No, he is. Then I'll come in. Siya pa yung nawala ng bihigaan ngayon. I see that your oil lamp is running low. So why don't you use mine tonight? Alright. Di ba? Sarap ng tulog ng isang bulilit. Here, this is for you. What is this? I haven't congratulated you on achieving the highest score in the Conti level examination. May pagregalo si wifey. You've made such great progress. So this is your reward. Hindi niya progress yun. Sadyang matalino talaga siya. Tinatago lang niya. Ito naman. Why do I need a reward? I'm not a child. I'm not a child, pero tinanggap naman. Inampot naman niya. There are dried flowers inside that can help you sleep. Carry the sachet with you, and you'll be able to sleep soundly. How do you know that I have trouble sleeping? We say it out loud. Have you forgotten? We've slept together before. I see. Cutie. A moment ago. What? A moment ago? Did you call me Zhao? Nahiya, ang liw lang. Nope. I don't care. I know I've heard it. Good night. Early morning. Chirping. Di ba? Aga niya nagsulat. Tapos yung kalbo, ayun kakagising lang. At nakita niya yung sachet. Huh? What is this? Fragrant bag. Who made this? It's so pretty. Zhao made it. Wow. Is it for me? Ba nangaagaw agad. Kaya siguro tinanggal siya doon sa temple. You think too much. It is her gift to me. Ciao! Yun naman tong silosong batang to. Second day mo pa lang dyan, ha? Dami mo nang ginawa. May papasta. What's wrong? Woohoo! Oh, that was a reward for your brother coming first in the exam. I will make one for you when you grow up and come first. Understand? Grand entry nil lang. Alright. So, dapat first ka. Pag hindi ka first, wala kang prize. Magaling, magaling. You're not upset anymore? Bakit ba lagi nakatungkod pa to siya? I had no idea your grades were so bad. I had no idea your grades were so bad. Pag sure, oy. You receive a reward for achieving first place for the first time. I always come first in the temple exams. Char. Study, genius. I'm already used to getting good grades, so I don't need to be rewarded anymore. Di mo alam, matalino yung kausap mo. Well then, I need to go out for a bit. Nag-aawa yung dalawa. The food is in the pot. Just eat it when you're hungry. Tapos nagluluto siya bago siya umalis. Itong dalawa, away pa rin ng away. Paano na naman basahin to? Qingchuan Town. Let's check what I need to buy. Great aunts and Shinkong's clothes, as well as seeds and farming tools. There isn't much money left at home after buying the land. It sure is a long and winding road. Look, wow. That's a large sum of reward money. I wouldn't dare to earn that kind of money. Anong money naman yan? Public announcement. It's over there. I will gladly accept the offer. What's with the little girl here? Fight. If you want to make money, it's not as simple as that. Hey. You won't be responsible if you get hurt or killed during the fight. I understand. Let's begin. Life or death duel today. Parties A and B will engage in a competition. Fate shall determine life or death, while wealth and status are determined by heaven. Neither party shall hold the other accountability for the outcome. To fight? Arena? Marunong bang kumarate si Zhao? That young lady is really brave. Fight! I will take good care of you. Really? That frail little girl dares to stand in the underground fighting arena. Another idiot who doesn't want to leave. Are you sure? Sigurado ka? Bam! Diba? Ah! Isang sipa lang. Tapos ang laban, thud. Ano kayo ngayon? Nga, tumangat kayo tumahimik. Anyone else? Anong di matatakot siya? Anyone else, guys? No one. I'll prepare your reward right away. And the easy money. Loaded. I've earned some money and restored my skills as a bonus. Delighted. Where else can I fight? Can I find such a win-win situation? Ewan ko sa'yo, girl. Anyway, this is the end of this chapter. I hope you could like and subscribe our channel. And see you in the next one. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone.